If your income stops the moment you fall asleep, this should make you deeply uncomfortable. Because every night you rest, your money rests too, and tomorrow starts exactly where yesterday ended. You wake up tired. You work all day. You give everything you have. Yet nothing changes. Warren Buffett once warned, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That's not a quote for motivation. It's a reality. Most people live in silence. And the reason rich people get paid at night is the reason most people stay trapped. You wake up to an alarm that feels louder than your dreams. You pour coffee into a cup, not just to wake up your body, but to fuel a day that feels endless. You follow the instructions life gave you. Go to school, get a job, do what they said. And still, at the end of the month, you're staring at the same emptiness. Bills pile up. Debts linger. The hope you had in the first week vanishes by the 28th. No savings, no progress, no freedom, just exhaustion. You realize that rest feels like a luxury you cannot afford, because every second away from work feels like money slipping through your fingers. Sleep doesn't recharge you. It becomes a reminder of opportunity lost. Most people don't see it yet, but this cycle is quietly dangerous. Day after day, week after week, month after month, you trade hours for dollars, thinking effort equals reward. But as Robert Kiyosaki says, the poor and middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. And while you're exhausted, working tirelessly just to survive, others are building systems, structures, and strategies that earn while they sleep. They don't wake up to the same emptiness you do. Their nights are silent, yet their wealth grows. The problem isn't how hard you work. It isn't your job title. It isn't the hours you endure each day. The true enemy is hidden, subtle, and relentless. It's the system you were trained to follow, the beliefs quietly drilled into you from childhood, the mindset that convinces you that effort alone guarantees reward. You were taught to trade your most precious resource, time, for money, as if hours alone could build lasting freedom. You were told that working harder, staying longer, and pushing past exhaustion would eventually lead to wealth. But the truth is harsh. More effort without strategy only keeps you tethered to a routine that never liberates. It keeps you running in circles, exhausted and invisible. Most people never notice the trap. They blame circumstances. They blame luck. They blame the economy. They even blame themselves. Yet, as Robert Kiyosaki said, the poor and middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. That distinction is not a technique. It is a paradigm, a lens that changes how you see work, life, and wealth entirely. The system isn't broken. It's functioning exactly as designed, to keep ordinary people busy, stressed, and compliant, while those who understand leverage quietly create income streams that operate day and night, without lifting a finger once the foundation is built. Until you identify this enemy, until you understand the invisible chains that limit your potential, no amount of sweat will produce lasting freedom. This is the reason why so many dedicated, capable, intelligent people remain trapped. They work tirelessly, dream endlessly, and yet the financial progress they crave slips farther away each month. And while they're stuck in visible struggle, others are silently constructing frameworks that make money work automatically, creating wealth even while sleeping, resting, or enjoying life. But here's the truth most people never hear. Wealth isn't earned by effort alone. It isn't about how many hours you clock, how many tasks you complete, or how much sweat you pour into the day. The real breakthrough begins the moment you change how you think about money itself. Rich people don't chase every dollar. They don't work endlessly for fleeting income. Instead, they focus on building systems, structures, and strategies that operate independently of their energy. As Naval Ravikant once said, seek wealth, not money or status. Wealth is having assets that earn while you sleep. Imagine a life where every action you take multiplies quietly, invisibly, like seeds sprouting underground, growing into trees that bear fruit long after you've stopped tending them. This is the moment most people overlook, the turning point where you stop trading time for cash and start creating income that works automatically. The shift is simple, yet profound. Your mind must see opportunity in leverage, in delayed effort, in strategic patience. Once you embrace this perspective, exhaustion no longer dictates your choices. Fear no longer traps you in endless toil. You begin to understand that freedom isn't found in more hours. It's found in smarter systems, in letting your work echo beyond the immediate, in making money move even when your body rests. The first way is creating digital products. You craft something once, and it continues generating value long after the initial effort. Ebooks, templates, courses, checklists. These are more than files. They're seeds quietly growing while you rest. Most people sell their time repeatedly. The wealthy sell ideas that multiply endlessly. Imagine a guide you wrote today still earning income months from now while your body rests. That is leverage in action. The second way is affiliate income. You don't need your own product. You simply connect people with solutions they already seek. Trust becomes your currency. Recommendations become your paycheck. Robert Kiyosaki said, "The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them." By sharing something useful, you earn repeatedly without trading additional hours for each transaction. The third way is content creation itself, like YouTube or blogs. The videos you create, the posts you publish, all have potential to earn money while you sleep. Ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. Attention multiplies into long-term revenue. Every view, every like, every comment is part of a machine working automatically. Persistence and consistency transform ordinary work into compounding income. The fourth way is print on demand. Design once, and systems fulfill orders without lifting a finger. Shirts, mugs, posters, they sell while you rest, travel, or even sleep. Inventory does not exist in your hands. Profit exists in the system. It's a quiet, almost invisible method of turning creativity into continuous cash flow. The fifth way is online courses. You already know knowledge others desperately want. Your experiences, failures, and shortcuts, packaged into lessons, become assets that keep paying off long after creation. Teaching becomes leverage. One course can impact thousands while your energy focuses elsewhere. The sixth way is investing in stocks and dividends. Money generating money quietly without daily intervention. It requires patience and foresight, but compounding is unmatched. Even while you sleep, interest accrues, dividends are paid, and wealth grows silently. Those who embrace patience reap rewards the impatient never see. The seventh and final way is automated services. Digital subscriptions, funnels, apps, bots, systems that deliver value without human supervision. Once established, they operate continuously while you focus on new opportunities. The richest understand that freedom comes when systems work for them, not the other way around. Income no longer depends on presence. It depends on structure and strategy. These 7 methods are not theoretical. They are real, actionable ways to stop trading time for money and start building income that works even while you sleep. Most people fail not because the methods don't work, but because they pick the wrong one to start, or they give up before results appear. There's one step among these 7 that quietly trips beginners, and it's the one that can change everything if understood. Imagine knowing exactly which approach aligns with your strengths, your skills, and your opportunities, and taking the first action today. That's the difference between staying stuck in the endless cycle of working for money and finally building a system where money works for you. Comment sleep if you want me to reveal which of these 7 strategies is the easiest to start with and which one most people overlook. Which of these methods surprised you the most? Which do you think you could start implementing tonight? Remember, the real power comes not from knowing the ideas, but from taking the first step, setting up the system, and letting it operate quietly while you live your life. The people who win aren't always the smartest, the most talented, or the most disciplined. They're the ones who start, persist, and allow their work to compound while others sleep.